Hey, how's it going YouTube? This is Jada Collects and welcome to my first video. A little bit about myself. I've been collecting now for 5 years. It started in 2019 Christmas Eve when my cousin got me a holiday edition mini GT R34. And since then it kind of spiraled out of control, and I've been collecting R32s, 33s, 34, 35s for the last 5 years, and have majority of everything that has come out since the early 2000s till now. I do have a little bit of the HD 2000 GTRs as well as the R30s, but kind of a little bit more selective on those. But mainly my collection is going to be Hot Wheels. I do have some mini GTs. I do have some 864s, Johnny Lightnings, as well as muscle machines. But expect 90% of my collection to be Hot Wheels. And before we start the video of my end of year 2024 haul, I want to say thank you to everyone that's been supporting me this last month and a half. I've been consistently posting shorts videos on my YouTube, and now that it's 2025, deciding to post longer format videos. So expect a lot of Hot Wheels diecast content, reviews, recent pickups. I also do own an R35, so some vlogs as well too of my car, and local cars and coffee meets that I go to. So thank you guys for joining me for this ride. This is going to be an incredible journey. Please, take it easy on me in the comments. This is my first video. I'm going to try to upload consistently, and let's start the video. Alrighty guys, for the first car I'm going to showcase is I actually got this off Whatnot. If you guys don't know what Whatnot is, it's a streaming platform where you can basically sell anything. People can join your stream and they potentially bid on an item, and if they win it, it gets shipped to your house. So as a father of two, it's hard for me to go to your Targets or Walmarts in the morning and try to find cars on pegs or on boxes. So I still get the thrill of, finding Hot Wheel cars or diecast cars on eBay or whatnot. I may occasionally find a onesie or twosie on Target or Walmart, but that's super rare. And the times that I go are going to have to be at night after work, and by then, everything is off the shelves. So this car I got from Whatnot is the Nismo R32 Zamac, and I believe this was an Asia exclusive. The Nismo did come, I believe, also in the R33 and the R34 and the RLC. So I'm not sure if they had it in an R32, but if I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. So these next 3 cars that I picked up are actually not Skyline GTRs. I have been branching out a little bit and collecting other makes and models within the JDM family. And I picked these 3 cars up on Whatnot from seller Get Thrifted 23. They were selling it in a 3-pack. So thank you so much for the great deal. And let's check out the first one I picked up. I did pick up the gold S2000. The bronze S2000. And the Collector's National Charlotte S2000. Let me know in the comments which one your favorite, and move on to the next one. For my next 4 pickups, I actually didn't pick up a 164, which is the same size as a Hot Wheel. I do have a 143, but the next 4 are actually going to be the 124 scale, which is the same size as this R34 over here. I have been picking up Fast and the Furious 124 scales, and my goal is to collect the JDM cars that I love. And let's check out the first one. It is going to be the RX-7 from Tokyo Drift. Hans drove this, so super iconic car. Here's the other models that are within this set. Next pickup is going to be the Evo from Too Fast, Too Furious. My favorite scene with this car is when Paul Walker was on the freeway. He flipped a bitch and gave Roman the finger. The next one that I do have is from the Fast and Furious, which is Brian O'Connor's Eclipse. Love this car, very, very iconic to the movies. Last pickup of the 124s is going to be the HD2000 from Fast 5. I believe they showed this for about a minute or 2 in the movie. It was really quick, but a super nice casting in black, and I'm glad that I picked this up. Let me know in the comments whether the HD2000, the Eclipse, the Evo, or the RX-7 is your favorite. So my second to last pick of 2024 is going to be the Cool Car Supreme Hauler 400Z and R32. I got this off of Whatnot from seller Pablo's Diecast Garage. quick story about this transaction. It was actually sent to a different seller, because when you're selling hundreds of items and whatnot, sometimes, you know, shipments can get crisscrossed. And this was sent to a super cool streamer. His name was Firehouse JDM. I was sent Firehouse JDM's. Firehouse JDM was sent mine, and we were able to get everything situated. And Firehouse JDM was super kind and gave me a Supreme Custom from Travis 24. So shout out to Firehouse JDM, and also shout out to Travis 24 and whatnot too. He's an amazing seller on whatnot, and he has, I believe, one of the best Skyline collections that I have seen. So shout out to Travis. So these last 5 cars I'm going to show y'all are actually giveaways from whatnot. Giveaways are cars that streamers give to the people that are following their streams, their shows, and just shows the support and appreciation for everyone that joins their stream and whatnot. So the first one is a 68 Plymouth Barracuda. I won a Honda Super Club Custom. I got a Monster Jam monster truck. I did also get a Mini GT Porsche. And for the holidays, I also did get a 1960 VW delivery van. So this is actually my favorite one out of all the 5 that I won. So if you made it towards the end of the video, thank you so much for all the support. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. It does mean the world to me as I start my YouTube journey, creating, you know, exciting videos for you guys. You know, for some of my goals short term, I do want to reach 10,000 subs, and then from there 100, 200, and even a million. You know, you never know within time. So I thank you guys for bearing with me for my first video. Sorry about the quality if it's not up to par. I am gonna get some video editing software to make this more exciting. I am gonna get a better camera, get better lighting, so stay tuned. This was my first one, finally getting it out of the way, so I'm glad that I was able to do this. And for everyone that's here, see you on the next one. Take care.